Hey, I am here in the woods, the beautiful woods, the very cool woods, because if I were to walk backwards, I'd be in the sun and it'd be very hot. Here in the woods, I find nature, I find beauty. A little while ago, lots of birds tweeting, lots of nature, calicarpa, beautyberry. Let me see, just all kinds of cool stuff around here. And let's draw our attention to this. So I'm on the edge of a development that I find absolutely absurd. And here's why. So we are looking at, I hate to be so strong, complete stupidity. Why is that? Because this poor homeowner is now going to have to pay for tons of irrigation. They will now have to pay for tons of sod. Nature has been destroyed. Whatever I put here will cost money. Whatever came with the lot was free. Whatever is put here will need constant watering and maintenance, which will cost money. Whatever would have been left will cost nothing. It absolutely blows my mind that a decision would be made to let a bulldozer out on this job site and purposely cost the homeowner thousands and thousands of dollars. You see all this erosion right here? Well, nature would have stopped that. No, it would be no need to do it. See all the footprints of nature? Well, that environment has been destroyed. And why has it been destroyed? Simply because of a mindset. The bulldozer mindset. All it would take is for these woods right here to simply have a road cut through here, level out where the house site would be, build the house, do forestry mulching through here, and it would save the homeowner thousands and thousands of dollars. It would protect erosion that is running into our streams. It would preserve nature. And the saddest thing about this is all it takes is a different mindset. There's just nothing that makes sense to this. If that had been left, this would not be here. This homeowner wouldn't be having to spend money to fill all this in. If that had been left, this would not need any kind of grass. If that had been left, then they would not have to spend money on trees. If that had been left, their AC units would not be cooking in the sun on a southern exposure, thus costing this homeowner more ongoing cooling cost. If that had been left and this house had been built around it, instead of that roof just baking in the sun, those trees would provide this house with shade, thus cutting their cooling cost down dramatically. All it takes is a different mindset. If it were up to me, I simply would have cut a road through here. Like imagine all of these woods being here. Just cut a road through here. Find your house site, level it out. It would have been so much easier and cost effective to do that than completely bulldoze everything. I don't understand that mindset. I just don't. Maybe it's time to change the paradigm.